Construction at Camp Nou continues to push forward with powerful momentum. Major structural elements are now rising into place, and with each new installation, the scale and ambition of the project become impossible to ignore. The stadium is clearly entering a phase where progress is not just visible, but truly impactful. The first compression ring pillar is now in its final position, marking the official start of the structural system that will support the future roof of the stadium. From close range, its scale and engineering strength are striking, as platforms, connection points, and supporting elements work together to secure it firmly in place. This monumental structure reflects precision, power, and the beginning of a transformative phase in Camp Nou's redevelopment. Progress continues in the third-tier cantilever area, where prefabricated seating structures are steadily being installed. In the tribuna section, multiple rows of prefabricated seating are already in place, resting on completed structural beams. At the same time, formwork removal is ongoing on vertical pillars supporting the upper tiers. These pillars are reaching advanced structural stages, preparing them for final integration with roof-related elements. In the lateral zone, vertical and horizontal supports for the lamella façade system are actively being installed. These anchoring structures will hold the future lamella panels that define the stadium's external appearance. While not all lamella panels are installed yet, the structural groundwork is clearly advancing, showing that this area is being prepared for rapid façade closure in the next phases. The corner areas connecting the lateral stands with the goal sections are showing increased activity. Multiple mobile platforms are being used to install metal anchor brackets directly into the concrete structure. Numerous anchoring components are staged on the steps, indicating that work will continue progressively across these zones. These anchors will support both façade systems and structural transitions between stadium sections. The south goal area remains an active construction zone. Concrete works are ongoing, with a concrete pump positioned nearby, indicating upcoming or active concreting operations on mid-level pillars. Several vertical pillars in this section are still partially formworked, while others are advancing through finishing stages. Horizontal support elements for future ceiling and façade systems are also visible, showing continued preparation for enclosure and structural completion. Interior circulation continues to improve with the arrival of multiple prefabricated staircases in the tribuna area. Several trucks have delivered stair units, which are being staged near elevator shafts and vertical access cores. Many staircases are already installed, with only limited sections remaining incomplete. Once finished, these circulation elements will significantly enhance movement within the stadium during later construction phases. Compared to other sections, the north goal currently shows reduced activity. However, interior finishing work continues, including surface treatments on pillars and localized structural adjustments. Elevated work platforms are in use for detailed work on vertical elements, showing that this area is progressing at a more controlled, finishing-focused pace. With each new structural element now taking shape, Camp Nou's transformation continues to gain momentum. The progress visible today is laying the foundation for what will soon become one of the most advanced stadiums in the world. Stay connected to follow every major development ahead, and if you enjoyed this update, make sure to like and subscribe. More progress is coming very soon.